dear audience, here is the latest version of my boat. Here is actually no more big difference, no big difference with the older one, but I mount actually only glued. I glued a rudder there. It's not being tried yet. I'm gonna try it like in an hour. And I glued to parts where it splits, where the boat splits, so no more water leak in there. But there is still a very little water leak in that cylinder where the shaft goes through. But but this glue does its job very good. There is no leak, but water gets into here and flows through there. I think you don't see it right now, but never mind. Water leaks through the inner boat, and I also add you must have seen that I modeled a battery house to mount the battery on the top of the boat. But then in the test, I saw that the center of mast need to be taken back. Yes, it needs to be taken back. So I decided to try to put the battery on the back side of the boat and try, and it gave me a perfect performance. So I decided to kind of little modify the battery house and place it to the here. Now battery sits there very good. Yeah, it fits perfectly and doesn't move. It's really hard to move it, but it doesn't squeeze the battery so much, so I don't think it will hurt it. And there is not much thing, but I also and these gloves made of plastic, but they're pretty waterproof. So I'm planning to put the Arduino in these gloves, and then close to its mouth, so it gets almost no water. I only this tape. It's not so powerful, I know. I for sure prefer using duct tape, but duct tape is not kind of cheap thing, and our first goal is making this boat cheap. Okay, then I'll put the Arduino and NRF in this gloves close to its mouth, because when it's even pure water, when it's spilled on these circuits, it can breaks, even burn. We are so luckily it haven't burned yet, but it restarts, doesn't work for a while, so we have to close the mouth after putting that shit in this gloves. So I already recorded some videos yesterday, but the rudder was broken and the boat going like it wasn't going, my friend. The rudder broke so fast, and then it rotated 90 degrees and became like that. And the massive force between the rudder and water make it real slow. Then I decided to break it and take it from here, so there is no more rudder and no more friction from rudder. It went real high, really fast. It get real high fast speeds. So I hope this rudder works without limiting our speeds. We're gonna see. See you later.
Oo. Gördün?